Who needs an elf on the shelf when you have this adorable elf sign? In today's video, I will be making this cute little elf door hanger using a piece of wood I got from a craft bundle I purchased off of Marketplace. I didn't have to paint it or anything. That was a big plus. I used a cut file from Design Bundles. I'll leave a link to the bundle I used in the description below if you want to check it out. Design Bundles has some amazing bundles at prices anyone can afford. I got this cute Christmas bundle for less than $20. They also have weekly free files, so if I was you, I'd check them out. I've been using their cut files for a while now, and I love them and the prices. After everything was cut and weeded, it was time to start layering. I first took the gold bells and the red dot off and put them on the elf shoes and hat. I laid all my pieces out in the order I thought I wanted them on my sign. This helped to give me a visual of how it was going to look and for me to make sure I liked it. I then cut the transfer paper to fit on the sign. The way I layered the vinyl is on the transfer paper. Some people will layer as they are putting it down, but I feel safer layering it on the transfer paper because if I mess something up, it's easier to remove it from the transfer paper than it is the project itself. Trust me, I've done it both ways. I placed all the different parts on the sign the way I wanted them arranged. I taped down the wording where I wanted it and applied it to the transfer paper. This is my starting point for the layering. Everything else will be layered around the words. Next, I cut the excess paper out from around the legs. Just makes it easier if you don't have a lot of excess around your vinyl. I then figured out where it needed to be and applied it to the transfer paper. I continue layering all the parts onto the transfer paper. When I looked, the legs and shoes didn't look quite right, so I gently picked up one leg and applied the top of the shoe on top of the leg. Once I had everything on the transfer paper, I applied the vinyl to the sign. I'm not sure what happened to the video for this part, but I can't find it. Sorry about that, but I still wanted to show you how I put this sign together. After everything was on the wood, I used my iron and a thin piece of fabric. I ironed the vinyl so it would melt into the cracks and crevices of the wood and give the sign more of a hand-painted look. This is my secret to creating wood signs, so don't tell anybody. Just kidding. I then added Glossy Mod Podge to give the sign a finished look. I like using gloss, but the choice is yours. You could use matte. I also added a piece of Nautical Rope to the top so it could be hung. I think this is the cutest little sign, and I can't wait to hang it on my front door. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am uploading videos every week, and you know you don't want to miss out on any of them. To be notified when I upload a video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.